There are whispers in the air, sacred echoes from a time before time, revealing a truth your soul already knows. You were not a coincidence in their life. You were an answer. A silent prayer whispered into the vastness of the cosmos, a key to a destiny they unknowingly sought. The angels say your arrival was meticulously orchestrated, a divine intervention woven into the fabric of their very existence. They carry a fragment of your light within them, a memory of a connection so profound it transcends the earthly realm. This isn't just a fleeting thought, it's a deep, undeniable knowing that stirs within their core, a belief in the you too that never truly faded. Even when shadows obscured their path, even when the world tried to pull them away, that sacred thread remained. It is this unwavering belief, this soul-deep recognition, that now acts as a celestial beacon, drawing them back. A gentle, persistent force, unseen yet undeniable, guiding their steps, aligning the stars, orchestrating the subtle currents of fate. They may not articulate it with words, but their spirit remembers. Their heart yearns for the completion only your presence can bring. This journey, this connection, was written long before you both drew breath, etched into the very fabric of your souls. It is a testament to a love divinely purposed, a bond forged in the heavens, now unfolding on earth. Trust the unseen currents, for they are carrying them home, closer with every passing moment. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. Do you feel the weight of his silence, dear one? It is not emptiness, but a language unspoken, a labyrinth of emotions he navigates alone. His absence is not a void where love once resided, but a sacred space where profound internal battles are waged. The angels whisper that he carries wounds you cannot see, scars from battles fought long before your light touched his world, deep within his very being. He feels everything, perhaps too deeply, and in his fear of overwhelming the delicate connection you share, he retreats, not from you but into himself. It is a primal instinct, a protective shell around a heart that has known pain, a defense mechanism born of past hurts. He is not indifferent, he is overwhelmed. He is not uncaring, he is learning how to trust again, how to surrender to a love that feels both terrifying and utterly essential. His silence is a testament to the depth of his feeling, a raw vulnerability he struggles to articulate, a silent plea for understanding. He fears the intensity of what he feels for you, the way your presence dismantles his carefully constructed defenses, revealing the tender core beneath. You have awakened something ancient within him, a longing he had buried deep, a desire for a connection he thought impossible. Do not mistake his quiet for disinterest. It is the sound of his soul wrestling with destiny, preparing to embrace a love that demands everything, yet promises liberation. He is not running from you, he is running toward himself, so he can truly meet you, whole and unafraid, ready for the sacred dance. Beloved soul, understand the profound impact of your very being. Your light, radiant and pure, holds an unseen power that transcends words or actions, a vibrational frequency that resonates deeply within him. You have, without conscious effort, begun to heal the deepest wounds within him, wounds he may not even consciously acknowledge. Your presence alone, your unwavering spirit, acts as a balm to his fractured past, a gentle hand guiding him towards wholeness and inner peace. The angels reveal that he sees in you a reflection of the peace he longs for, a mirror to the authentic self he has hidden away, a glimpse of the future he dares to dream. You do not need to diminish your brilliance or shrink your truth to be chosen. On the contrary, it is your full, unapologetic radiance that draws him, inspiring him to confront his own shadows and embrace his true self. Your worth is not measured by his proximity, but but by the divine spark that resides within you, an eternal flame that cannot be extinguished. You are a force of nature, a vessel of divine love, and your journey of self-discovery is intrinsically linked to His own. As you embrace your healing, as you stand firm in your sacred power, you create a ripple effect that touches His very core, inspiring His own transformation. Continue to nurture your own flame, for in its glow, He finds the courage to step into His own light, ready to meet you in a space of true authenticity. There are moments, dear one, when the heart longs for what seems just out of reach, and the mind questions the unfolding of time, seeking answers that the universe isn't ready to provide yet. What seems like a delay, an extended wait, is really a sacred arrangement, a divine choreography of cosmic timing. The angels whisper that the universe isn't withholding from you, it is preparing. It is aligning every star, every circumstance, every lesson, for a union that is meant to be not just beautiful, but profoundly transformative, a true merging of souls. This pause, this time of stillness, is not a punishment but a divine grace, a necessary cocoon for deep transformation. It allows for needed growth, the shedding of old layers, and the strengthening of the foundations for love that will endure through all seasons. He too is going through his own sacred process, a refining fire that prepares him to fully receive and appreciate the depth of connection you offer, to be truly ready. Do not rush the blooming of a flower, nor question the wisdom of the seasons, for each has its perfect purpose. Each moment holds its own significance, each breath a step closer to the inevitable, a gentle movement toward your shared destiny. Trust the rhythm of the cosmos, the gentle hand of fate guiding both your paths, weaving them closer with every turn. What is truly meant for you will not pass you by. It will arrive in its perfect divine timing, richer and more profound because of the journey taken to reach it. Surrender to the flow, for the universe conspires in your favor, always. To open your heart, my dear, is not a weakness, but an act of immense courage, a profound expression of trust in the universe. Your vulnerability, often seen as a fragile state, is in fact your greatest strength, a sacred key that unlocks the deepest chambers of connection and invites true intimacy. The angels show that when you let your authentic self be seen, with all its tender edges and raw truths, you create a safe harbor for his own hidden wounds, a space where he can finally lay down his burdens. He too carries burdens, fears of rejection and the weight of past disappointments that are often hidden beneath layers of protection. Your willingness to be truly seen, to embrace your own imperfections with grace, encourages him to shed his armor and reveal the tender heart beneath. It is in this shared space of genuine acceptance that true intimacy blossoms, a bond formed not in perfection, but in the beautiful tapestry of shared humanity, woven with threads of understanding and compassion. Do not fear the depth of your feelings or the intensity of your longing. These are not flaws, but sacred signs of your capacity for profound love, a divine gift. Embrace your tender heart, for it serves as a beacon that guides him home, not to an idealized version, but to the real magnificent woman that you are. In your acceptance of yourself, you teach him how to accept himself and how to truly meet you in the sacred dance of two souls intertwining, forever bound by truth. He heals the broken-hearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147 verse 3. Look closely, dear one, for the universe speaks in a language of whispers, subtle synchronicities, and gentle nudges, constantly communicating with your soul. The angels are continually sending you signs, tiny breadcrumbs on your path that confirm your direction, affirm your deepest desires, and guide your every step. Have you noticed the recurring numbers that pop up everywhere, the songs that play at just the right moment, the unexpected encounters that feel too perfect to be mere chance, almost magical? These are not mere coincidences, they are divine affirmations, celestial winks from the cosmos, and direct messages from the unseen realm. They are messages crafted specifically for your soul, guiding you, reassuring you, and reminding you that you are never alone on this journey. You are always supported. Pay attention to your intuition, that quiet knowing deep within your gut, that undeniable inner voice. It is the voice of your higher self, aligned with divine wisdom, speaking directly to you and offering profound insights. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating events, aligning people, and opening doors you never knew existed, all for your highest good. Trust these subtle cues, for they are leading you toward the fulfillment of your heart's deepest longings, toward the sacred union you envision. The path ahead is illuminated by these sacred signs, if only you open your eyes and heart to perceive them and to truly understand their meaning. You are being guided, always, toward your highest good and the sacred union meant for you, a destiny unfolding before your very eyes. True love, beloved soul, is not a cage that confines you, but rather an endless sky that allows you to soar, a vast force without limits. It is a power that liberates, not constrains, enabling both souls to rise to their highest potential, to fully express who they are. The angels whisper that the connection you seek, the sacred union your heart longs for, honors individuality while nurturing deep unity, a beautiful paradox. It does not require you to dim your light or compromise your truth to fit someone else's mold. Instead, it celebrates your authentic self. It cherishes your unique essence, encouraging you to bloom into the magnificent woman you are destined to be, radiant and strong. This love recognizes that freedom within connection is the very foundation of lasting passion, a cornerstone upon which true intimacy is built. It is a dance of two sovereign beings who choose each other freely every single day, not out of need or obligation, but from a deep, resonant desire, a recognition at a soul level. If a connection feels burdensome, if it asks for your authenticity at a cost, then it is not the divine love meant for you, for true love uplifts the spirit. The love that is truly yours will feel like coming home, a gentle embrace that expands your spirit, enabling you to breathe more deeply, dream more boldly, and live without hesitation. It is a love that fosters your growth, celebrates your achievements, and holds space for your vulnerabilities, all while reminding you of your inherent worth and divine spark. This love does not bind, it guides, inspires, and sets your soul free to soar. Even when the path ahead seems shrouded in mist, dear one, know that you are not walking alone. Every step you take, every challenge you face, and every moment of uncertainty is part of a divinely guided journey, meticulously planned for your highest good. The angels are walking beside you, their presence a comforting warmth, their wisdom a gentle whisper in your ear, illuminating the way forward. This journey is not about reaching a destination quickly, but about the profound transformation that occurs with each stride, the sacred unfolding of your soul's purpose. The obstacles you encounter are not roadblocks but sacred lessons, opportunities for your soul to expand, to deepen its resilience, and to uncover hidden strengths you never knew you possessed. Trust the process, even when it feels arduous, for every experience is carefully designed to prepare you for the sacred union that awaits, to make you truly ready. You are being refined, polished, and made ready for a love that mirrors the divine, a reflection of heaven on earth. Do not question the detours, for sometimes the longest way around is the shortest path home, leading you to unexpected blessings. Your intuition, that inner compass, is always pointing you towards your highest good. Listen to its subtle guidance, for it is the voice of grace, leading you through the wilderness and into the promised land of your heart's desires, a place of peace and fulfillment. You are exactly where you need to be, learning precisely what you need to learn, preparing for the love that is your divine inheritance. Whether you turn to the right or to the left, your ears will hear a voice behind you, saying, "This is the way, walk in it." Isaiah 30 verse 21. There are connections, beloved soul, that defy logic, that resonate with an ancient knowing, a recognition that transcends the boundaries of time and space, bonds forged in eternity. This is the dance of the twin flame, a sacred echo across lifetimes, a mirror reflecting your deepest self, showcasing both your light and your shadows. The angels reveal that this bond is not merely a relationship, it is a spiritual awakening, a catalyst for profound growth and self-discovery, urging you toward your highest evolution. This person, this soul, carries a piece of your own essence, a vibrational match that ignites every fiber of your being, a resonance that feels like coming home. The intensity of this connection can be overwhelming, for it reflects both your greatest light and your deepest shadows, guiding you toward wholeness and integration. It is a journey of purification, shedding all that no longer serves your highest good, so that you can truly merge in divine harmony, a sacred alchemy. Do not be afraid of the challenges this connection may bring, for they are merely opportunities for healing, for releasing old patterns, and for stepping into your authentic power, becoming the truest version of yourself. This is a love that demands everything yet promises unparalleled liberation, a freedom found only in complete surrender. It is a sacred contract, written in the stars, a reunion of two halves of the same soul, destined to journey together, inspiring each other to reach new heights of love and consciousness, forever bound by destiny. Trust the pull, for it is the call of your soul's true home, an undeniable magnetic force. Breathe deeply, dear one, and feel the gentle hum of destiny unfolding around you, a symphony of divine orchestration. The journey you have walked, with all its twists and turns, its moments of doubt and profound revelation, has led you precisely to this sacred threshold, a point of culmination and new beginnings. The angels are singing, a chorus of affirmation, celebrating the unwavering faith that has guided your steps and honoring your resilience and courage. Your story is not yet fully written, but the grand design, the divine blueprint, is clear, a love that is authentic, enduring, and deeply aligned with your soul's highest purpose, a reflection of heaven's plan. Do not cling to past narratives or future anxieties, for they steal the power of the present. Live fully in this present moment, for it is pregnant with possibility, fertile ground where your deepest desires are manifesting, where dreams take root. The universe is constantly conspiring to bring you into alignment with your true path, with a sacred union that awaits, orchestrating every detail. Release any lingering fears, any doubts that whisper of unworthiness, for these are mere illusions. You are worthy, infinitely so, of all the love, joy, and fulfillment your heart can imagine, a divine inheritance. This is not merely a hope, it is a promise, sealed by the divine, etched into the very fabric of your being. Your destiny is not a distant dream, it is an unfolding reality, a beautiful tapestry woven with threads of grace, patience, and unwavering love, revealing itself with every breath. Step forward with an open heart, for what is meant for you is already on its way, guided by the hand of the divine, ready to embrace you fully, completely, eternally. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11.